Hello guys, if you have a problem like this, your account has been disabled, you are in the right video because here I will share the solution. Well, in this video I will share how to fix your Google or Gmail account has been disabled in 2023. Okay, here's the tutorial. When you successfully enter your email and find a page like this, please follow the steps below. For here, please click Start Appeal to file an appeal. Then click Next. Then, you must fill in the fields here with the right reasons so that your Google or Gmail account can be restored again. I have prepared reasons for filing an appeal. Please copy the sentence in the description of this video and don't forget to change the email address with your disabled email address. Then, paste here and click Next. Finally, enter an active email address to receive updated information regarding the account we are reporting. Then, click Submit Appeal. Okay guys, Google will review your appeal in 2 working days, or it could be longer. If you have data stored on Google Drive, please click Download your data. So, that's the video this time. Hope it's useful, and if you have any questions, just write in the comments. See you in the next video.